Welcome to a day in the life as a home baker, and this is baking day edition. I wanted to try something a little different with my content creating. As far as like posting, I wanted to do more behind the scenes work. I've been wanting to do this for the longest, so I'm just finally like, yes, let's push it out. Let's get it going. So this is Tuesday. Tuesdays are usually the days I bake for the week. That way I can spend the rest of the week working on making buttercream icing if I need to make extra, and then working on other details that I have to do with cakes, like edible images, making custom cutouts, ordering pieces, all that kind of fun stuff. This particular week was super busy for me. I was doing regular cakes on top of creating my menu for like smaller items. I'm still getting it together. I know I have a few people who are waiting on it. Just be patient with me. Trust me, I have it coming. Just doing a lot more tweaking on recipes, making sure everything is super moist, fluffy, and just, perfect to your liking. So the reason why I wanted to start doing smaller treats again, and it's not going to be on a permanent menu, just a heads up. I'm really wanting to get into the pop-up shops and all of the fall festivities, like all of the markets and stuff like that. I think it is just so fun. And I love doing smaller treats during the holiday time. I feel like it's so fun. I love to get my son involved in it. So it's really fun. Baking is the hardest part of the week for me, but honestly, once you get it done, you feel so accomplished. It is the best part to see all of your cakes stacked up in the refrigerator, looking all gorgeous and cute. But the buttercream icing is top tier. I love making icing. It's so easy, and I use American style recipe. That is what I was trained to use with cake decorating when I first began years ago, and it's the best for me and the style of cakes that I make. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog style. I hope you interact with it. Let me know what you guys think, and I will definitely be making more. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Love you guys. Bye.